Hi everyone. Lwandile Zonke here, the author of Overcoming Struggles of a Township Boy. Welcome back to those that have been here, and to those that are new, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So we are still navigating the Easyequities platform, and for the purposes of these videos we will be looking at I will be using rather demo account. Okay, so if when you log in into your account, if you could just scroll down, you'll see your watch list, your equities, and your ETFs. I've already explained on my other video what a watch list is, so if you haven't yet seen that, go check it out. But now we will go on to equities to try and look or find the companies that we are interested in investing in. So if you could click on equities, right, you will see category tags, right? You will see all, under all you'll find each and every company that you would like to invest in, but these are only companies that are listed obviously guys on the JSE. Okay, then so okay, to just show you guys, if you could scroll down, you will see your APSAs, right? If you could scroll down, your Edquark Ingram. If you could scroll down, you'll see different companies that are listed on the JSE, your Afrimat, Afrocentric, etc., etc. They are under all, right? Okay, let's just go up once again. Then you get your top 40. If we could click on top 40, right, you get your top 40. Like the top, the biggest boys, you know. So that's where you get your Anglo Platinum, your Anglo American, you know. That's where you get your Bidvest, British American Tobacco, Capitex, best performing 40 companies, right? Then you would see vehicles and parts. Vehicles and parts, these are companies that are on the vehicle industry. Okay, if you could swipe to the left, to the right rather, you'll see banks. If you could click on banks, you will find your ABSAs, your Capitex, your First Rand, your Nedbanks, RMB, Standard Bank. Okay, those fall under banks. If you could go to beverages, they're categorized here, guys. You would find your distills, you know. Then there's chemicals, there's buildings and materials, you know, companies that are in that particular industry, electricity, electrical equipment. Swipe right, equity investment instruments, financial services, fixed line telecoms. Swipe right, food and drug retailers. Let's just click on food and drug retailers. Your Clicks, your Discount, your Pick and Pay, your Shortbread. You know, these are retailers that focus that sells food, right? They are in the food industry. You guys understand? Swipe left, you get your general industrials, your general retailers, your healthcare and services. Swipe left, household goods. Now here, guys, they are categorized. They're categorized, so you'll find these companies in categories. In other words, if you want them mixed up all together, that's where you will go to all. Okay, swipe right once again. You have your investment products. Let's just swipe right. Life insurance, you get your media, you get your mining. Okay, let's just go to investment products. We are still under category tags, guys. Don't get lost there. Okay, let's go to media. Let's click on media. If you could scroll down, you'll find your media holdings, multi choice, Nespers, process, etc. So that is how you look. That is how these companies are grouped. Okay, let us just go to all. Let us just go to all. Let's go back to all. Click on all. Okay, so if you would like to purchase Capitex shares, you will just you can either scroll down, scroll down, and go to the next page, go to number 2 up until you find Capitec. Obviously these guys, they are in alphabetical order. So once you get to C, you'll get all your companies that starts with C, and obviously that's where you will find Capitec. But to make things easier for you, you can come here to this search engine and click Capitec. Okay, click Capitec and click on search. See here, this is where you find Capitec Bank Holdings Limited. You understand? Let's just go back once again. What happened? Apologies for that, guys. Let's just go back once again. Okay, maybe now you are looking for your favorite company. Maybe you buy food at ShopRite. You go to search once again under all and type in ShopRite. Click on search. Here's ShopRite. There you get ShopRite. Okay, that is how you look for the companies that you're looking for. Maybe you buy your clothes from Mr. Price. Let's type in Mr. Price. Okay, here you find Mr. Price Chrome Limited. You understand? So that is how you search companies. Alternatively, you can just scroll down up until you find the company that you are looking for. Okay, if you could scroll up, guys, on your top left, there's those 3 lines. Click on that menu. Now I want to show you how to deposit and withdraw. Click on that menu. You'll find headings, overview. You'll find another heading, that is my investments. You'll find another heading, that is my funds. You'll find another heading, that is my vouchers. Go to under my funds. Can you guys see my funds? Then click on deposits when you would like to deposit. Click on deposit. Okay, obviously this is a demo. I'm on a demo account and you cannot deposit money onto your demo account. Okay, like I told you guys, I withdrawn money from this account. I don't want you guys to think I'm rich. Next thing you want to hack my account. So I've withdrawn money here. So let me just go to Easyequities. Okay, as you guys can see here, I only left 70 cents. Okay, go to that menu on your tab left once again under my funds. Click on deposits. Okay, yeah, scroll a bit down. You'll see here deposit funds. Easyequities are your funds to invest. They show you your funds to invest is 70 cents. Okay, then you show you your reference. Okay, your reference obviously will be your account number. Easyequities, yeah, so it will always be EE then the number after that, guys. So they say annual cross account deposits. So source of funds value 20k, so they allow you to deposit 20k, guys. Okay, what is my source of funds value? Then you can either do EFT, you can either do credit card, you can either do SID, and I always use EFT. So you could look a bit down, select one of our bank accounts. So they've got different bank accounts that you can deposit into or that you can use to deposit. Okay, for a quick fund allocation, please transfer into the same bank as the one you are with. So if you'd like your deposit to be processed quickly, then choose FNB. If you know that you are also using FNB, choose ABSA if you know you're also using ABSA, so that the process can be a little bit quicker. So click on this arrow. Let's say I'm using FNB, so I click on First National Bank. That is the account that I would like to deposit into. Then you'll see here bank, First National Bank, branch code. Now they give you details to deposit money into. Now you should take note of these details: the branch code, the bank, the account name, the account number, and your reference. Obviously your reference will be your Easyequities account. Please note, then they say please note, funds may take up to 48 hours to reflect due to individual bank regulations. So it will take 48 hours for your money to reflect into your Easyequities platform. Then number 2, they say use of incorrect reference will result in allocation delays and will require you to email us as a formal proof of deposit. So guys, if you use a wrong reference, remember your reference should be your Easyequities account number. So if you use a wrong one, your funds will not reflect, guys. So you'll have to email Easyequities. So make sure that your reference is correct. It should be EE and a number after that. Okay. Number 3, they say deposited funds will be held for a 14-day clearing period. If, however, the value of the deposit funds holdings, value of the deposit funds, sorry for the dog that's barking, guys. Okay. If, however, the value of the deposit funds is covered by sufficient holdings in your account, you will be able to withdraw your funds. Okay. So you take note of these details, guys. Then go into your banking app. After you've taken note of these details, go into your banking app. Go deposit like how you would deposit. You'd normally deposit to someone else, but using these details. And don't forget your reference, guys. Your reference should be correct. In other words, your money will not reflect into your account. Okay. Then in 48 hours, you should see your money here. See where you see 70 cents. You should see your money, the amount of money you've deposited here. Okay. Let's click again on the top left main menu. Now you will go to withdrawal. If you'd like to withdraw under my funds, click on withdrawal. Then they will tell you available for withdrawal. They will tell you available funds is 70 cents less unsettled cash locked funds. Then withdrawable funds, they tell you withdrawable funds. So in other words, the money that you can withdraw is 70 cents. Then they tell you, okay, here are your banking details, blah blah blah. Do you confirm that they are correct? You say yes, I confirm. You click there, yes, I confirm that they are correct. Then you click on your withdrawable amount. You click on 70 cents. Then you click withdraw. Okay. Then they just explain to you. If you scroll down, they will explain what available funds are, what unsettled cash is, what locked funds are. Okay. So that is how you do your deposit and your withdrawals on Easyequities. I hope that you guys have learned something from this video. If you have found value in this video, please kindly let me know by commenting down below. Don't forget to like, guys, and subscribe. Also refer people that you think might learn from these videos. Thank you so much, guys. If you have just registered and they would like a referral code, I have linked it in the description below. Stay tuned, guys, for more content that is coming.